Garvin Industries stamped steel beam clamp with a snap-on conduit hanger assembly allows the installer to mount conduit either parallel to or perpendicular to the beam that the clamp is attaching to. The beam would represent here. The conduit would be installed perpendicularly and then simply snap it closed to secure it like so. These products come for 1/2 inch conduit, 3/4 inch conduit, 1 inch conduit, and 1 1/4 inch conduit sizes. The easy set screw design easily clamps on the structural member or beam and secures the pipe in place. For these and other great products, be sure to visit us online at garvinindustries.com.